So we are still on our BROCHURE design Adobe Illustrator. So what we're going to do next is that we still continue to format our text. So shift key and select the digital marketing, shift key and select this icon right here. Then we now press hotkey and drag down to make a duplicate. So I think this is 1.36. Let's see. Okay, so that's one. Then I'll make another duplicate again. It's going to, it must be the same. Okay, that's the same interval, and we can still make one more. Very good. So now we can change from digital to here can be graphics design. Then here can be print design. Then here can be graphics training. So we can still adjust our text. Shift key and select this, shift key and select this, then my forward arrow key smudge. Okay, let's see. All right, so at this point also we have done with this part of text also, so we need to keep on moving with our text position in BROCHURE. So we just have to make sure that everything you are doing is fall on a single layer, right? So we need to work on this layer right here. So we go back to our text tools. So here we can as well say we are creative business agency, then Control A to highlight. So we can change the color to white, and we come here and increase the font size to 18. Let's see, still need to increase more. Let's see, 24. I think this is much pretty nice. Okay, so we can select this and change to bold, and let's see if red is going to work fine on the surface. Okay, so I think this one is good in that place. So we can come here and list some of the other services we do, or let's say other services, and Control A to highlight everything. Then we come here and reduce the font size. Let's see, 14, and we can change the color to red. So other services can be right here. So we just draw another text frame now, put the text here. So let me apply full justify. Then I will reduce the font size to 10 since we are working with 10 all the way. So I'll change the font style for text format. So I'll make a duplicate of the text to Z. Shift key, I'll select other services. Then I'll make a duplicate of the text and take it down here. I'll call this one product list. So my alignment panel from the home tab here, I will select this. Okay, so I'm getting tired. Right, so at this point here we are almost done with the inner part of the brochure. So all you have to do is to see which other area we can still apply some text. So let me just copy this to the top and let's duplicate it here. Then I'll fill it with white. I'll change this to black. And this product list also, I will just make a duplicate of it. I'll drop it down here. We'll fill this with white. Okay. So I don't think there's anything we can do as far as our TRIFOLD brochure front and back is concerned using Adobe Illustrator. So the next thing I'm going to do is that for now I will save this file. Go to File, then Save As. Then I'll call this one 2. Then click on Save. Then I'll click on OK. Done. So at this point now I have taken this class through the process of brochure design using Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to open up your software, get something done either bifold brochure or trifold brochure or fourfold brochure. You just need to do something and send it to me on WhatsApp or any other platform that you can use to reach me for a proper assessment. I want to see how far you are able to understand brochure design in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you learn one or two things in this class of our Illustrator. So thank you for watching the class from the beginning to the end. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye.